Let's talk about using probability and randomness in Ableton Live. This video extends what we looked at last time, where we created additional hi-hat notes with lower velocity and lower chance. The difference here is that I've created those additional notes on a separate clip in a different track. So the original clip is just the basic drum beat. Remember that the chance setting applies to grouped notes as a whole, whether they play one or whether they play all. In order to send the MIDI hi-hat notes into the original drum rack, we need to route the output of this new MIDI track into the drum rack. In the MIDI output routing, select kicked carbon, and then in the second box, select kicked carbon as the input. This means that the MIDI is routed directly into the kit without having to change the kit track's MIDI monitoring state. The second clip here is just a longer phrase, but it shows that you could extend out the pattern, adding additional notes, changing velocities, different chances, and so on. The third clip here isn't a full bar length, so it'll loop out of sync with the main beat clip, automatically giving more variation. This is a useful trick, even if you're not using chance settings.